Yo, what's good? This your boy Epic, and today we going to war right now. We got some unwanted visitors that's hanging around my house, and yeah, I ain't having it. Hold on, wait. Okay, I think it's focused. Yeah, some unwanted guests hanging around my house right now, and they wasn't invited, so we about to go on this war zone. Are y'all with me? I don't think I can do this by myself. Let's do this. Let me put the camera on so y'all can see who I talking about or what I talking about. Okay. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see it. But these niggas is really. So y'all just gonna build a triplex and then decide to put a little. Really? Alright. Y'all ready? Let's do this. Alright, first we gotta find something to do this niggas dirty with. Alright. That right there. Whatever this is. Dun-dun-dun. Okay. Alright, let me focus. Okay. If I don't make it out of here alive. If y'all don't see me post another video. Put my strap on. Got my weapon. Okay. Put on autofocus. Got my weapon. They gonna die. Okay. Should we go for this apartment or should we go for the triplex? Triplex? Should just mess the triplex up and make them start over, right? Alright, triplex it is. Okay. 1, 2. Maybe I ain't ready for this. You know what? Screw it. Let's go. 1, 2. Oh, for those who don't know, they're wasps. I don't know if y'all only seeing bees in your. What the hell is that? Another one? Okay. All right. Okay. This nigga's got 3. Okay. 1, 2. Hold on. Oh. Wait up. Are you you know what? Get the did they see me? Hold on, wait. One of them might have seen me. Hold on, wait. Yo, these niggas got 1, 2, 3, 4.5 that I just busted up. Alright, I don't care about y'all niggas no more. Let's do this. 1, 2. Y'all sure I should do this? You know what? Let's do this. Forget it. I'm on one, nigga. Okay, zoom in so y'all get a good look. 1. Y'all say triplex, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3. I wasn't scared. Yeah. It's your boy, Epic, and yeah. I'll holler at y'all later. Are you kidding me right now? Part 2, Wasp Wars, coming soon.